On the Operator Control Panel, or OCP, select Menu, select Advanced Settings, select Clean Printer, select Clean Laminator Rollers. Press the Laminator Cover Release button and open the Laminator cover. Then open the Laminator bottom cover. Remove the top laminate cassette. If present, remove the bottom laminate cassette. Leave both covers open. Locate the top and bottom media rollers. Remove the clean swab from its protective cover. On the OCP, press Next, then press Top. Clean the top roller by moving the swab tip side to side until the roller stops turning. When done, press Bottom on the OCP. Similarly, clean the bottom roller directly under the top roller. After cleaning both rollers, press Exit on the OCP. The OCP will return to the Clean Printer menu. Reinstall the laminate cassettes. Then close the covers.